Dear children, welcome to your English class. You are watching this video after a long time, is it not? So today in lesson 3 An Encounter in the Woods, we are going to learn the grammar part, module 4. In this module, you are going to learn interrogative and reflexive pronoun. Children, if you remember, we have done demonstrative pronouns in our previous class. Demonstrative pronouns are used to indicate whether a person, place or thing is near or far. Do you remember anything? No. Do you remember using this, that, these and those? Yes, they are demonstrative pronouns. Now in this module, what are you going to learn? You will be able to complete sentences using correct forms of pronouns like the interrogative and the reflexive pronoun. So let us begin and understand slowly. Okay? What is an interrogative pronoun? So children, there are 5 interrogative pronouns. Before I tell you what they are, you have to understand a simple tip that I am going to give you to remember it very easily. You have to remember the meaning of the word interrogative. Interrogative means nothing but a question. Okay. So now interrogative pronouns means very simple to understand that they are all questioning pronouns. For example, words like who, whom, whose, which and what. These are all questions, is it not? And they are all pronouns. So they are called as interrogative pronouns. As simple as that, is it not? Let us try to understand them one by one. Who? Who is used when we are asking questions about the subject of the sentence. Now you already know what is a subject and an object of a sentence, is it not? A subject is the person or the thing that is doing the action in a sentence, and the object is on whom or upon whom the action is being done. So who is used when we are asking questions about the subject of the sentence. Like for example, who is that? Who is going to clean the table? Who is your favorite novel writer? In these sentences, who is the interrogative pronoun. When do you use whom? Now, whom is used to ask about the object of the verb or preposition. Now, look at these examples here. Whom did you tell your secret? For whom are those gifts? To whom did you give the book? While you use whom, it automatically answers the object of the verb, is it not? On whom the action is being done. Whom did you tell your secret? For whom are those gifts? To whom did you give the book? All these sentences, the word whom is used as an interrogative pronoun. Next is whose. Now whose is used when asking questions relating to possession or ownership. Possession or ownership means to whom something belongs. Who is the owner of something? Or to whom does it belong? Whose cat is this? Whose phone is that? Whose plant was the tallest? Now when you use the word whose as an interrogation, it gives answers for something to whom something belongs or who is the owner of something. Am I correct? What? What is used when asking for general information? It's very simple to understand. Now see, what is your name? What is our lesson today? What did you learn today? Very simple general information is being asked here, and we are using what as an interrogative pronoun. So children, to recap, there are 5 interrogative pronouns: who, whom, whose, which and what. Next comes the reflexive pronouns. Now reflexive pronouns are very simple to understand. The word reflexive means something which reflects back to back. It's used when the object and the subject of the verb are the same. In a sentence, when the subject and object are same, then those words are called as reflexive pronouns. We use reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun refers back to its subject. So children, there are 8 reflexive pronouns. For I we use myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, they, themselves, we, ourselves, you, yourselves. Please try to remember these words, okay? There are 8 reflexive pronouns. And for each, what reflexive pronoun do you use? That you have to learn. Now here's some example sentences for you. Read these sentences. He hurt himself while playing. They enjoyed themselves at the beach. In the sentence, he hurt himself while playing, he is the subject and himself is the object. Both are same. So, himself is the reflexive pronoun. In the second sentence, they enjoyed themselves at the beach. In this sentence, they is the subject and themselves is the object. So, themselves is the reflexive pronoun. Here are 2 more examples for you. He hurt himself. In this sentence, he is the subject and himself is the reflexive pronoun. One more for you. She baked the cake by herself. She is the subject and herself is the reflexive pronoun. Here's a small worksheet for you. One has already been done for you. Please try to do all the remaining 4. And also a small assignment has been attached here. You have to complete the grammar work in textbook page numbers 30 and 31. Okay, please check it out and do it yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.